Hello everyone, my name is Malka. I'm so excited today to be unboxing the brand new Galaxy S10 Plus. Even though I loved my S9 Plus, I couldn't say no to Samsung's trade-in program. Immediately, we can see the beauty of the phone. But first, let's focus on the accessories. We can see that it has the adaptive fast charger and the USB-C, this tiny little guy, the USB-C adapter. It also comes with the USB-C cable and the AKG headphones in white. Since I loved the vibrant blue color of my S9 Plus, I decided to get the same one. The S10 Plus has many colors to choose from. You can purchase it in prism black, blue, or white. They also offer ceramic white and ceramic black. And for you adventurous people, the flamingo pink. You can see this beautiful 6.4-inch AMOLED screen, and it has a screen protector installed already, so I don't have to buy one. 4100 milliamp hour battery. That should last you through the whole day. And it is IP68 water resistant. I bought the 128 gig version, but you can also get it with 512 or 1 terabyte of storage. And it does have 8 or 12 gigs of RAM. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. This is where I'm going through the setup menu. Now that I'm through the setup menu, you can see how amazing the screen looks. Whenever I get a Samsung phone, I immediately go to the settings and enable the vivid colors on the screen. That's just a preference. As you can see, there's now 3 rear cameras. One is a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle and a 12 megapixel wide angle, and of course the 12 megapixel portrait camera. And in the front, you can see the hole punch with 2 cameras, 10 and 8 megapixels. Both front and rear cameras can record in 4K. Now let's test the quality of the camera. I'm going to take a picture of this plant. And there you can see that it's really nice. You can zoom in. It caught a lot of detail and the colors are really vibrant. It's finally here, the in-screen fingerprint sensor, what we've all been waiting for. Let's see how fast it is. It's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.